ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Boy, Christmas season has been a blast, and it's over. So I'm back in the shop, and the first thing I'm going to do is Alloyworks, a very dear sponsor of mine. They have sent me now 3 radiators, and this is the latest one. This is a 4-core heavy-duty, high-capacity radiator that I wanted for El Caballero. Well, the radiator's fine, they're fine, I messed up. I mismeasured. I measured 35 inches in there, this is 33 inches across, but I didn't measure down lower where it comes in just a little bit, which is okay, because I've got a torch, I've got steel, I can make it fit, no problems. But I want to show you this radiator. This thing is phenomenal. It is all high quality aircraft grade aluminum. It's plugged off, you know, it's tested at the factory. They used to use O-rings right here, but now that they've got plugs with nylon tape, typical regular cap on it. They had CNC caps, and I always had trouble getting them on and off, but this one here comes on and off perfect. Now this unit did not come with the relays, which is fine, because I'm going to buy some heavier grade relays. I need to have 2 relays for this. I need to have a relay for my rear fuel pump. I need to have a relay for my front fuel pump. So I'm going to have to make a little spot under the hood for those relays. And with that being said, I'd like to have them all looking the same. That way it all looks good. Now this radiator here, do I need this big of a radiator? No. I'm sure the one that they had sent me for when I was just going to do it back stock would have worked fine, but I have got a high flow water pump, and I'm wanting this thing for road trips. So having a big capacity radiator in the heat of the summer with the air conditioner going, there is no reason why this is not going to work. But I'm going to set the core support in the frame. Now I don't have it painted and all dressed up yet, but we'll set this in and we'll kind of see how it's going to look. But Alloyworks, you've got a great product. You have yet to let me down. That Corvette, once I got it in, beautiful, bolted right in. The first one, perfect fit. This one here, I've got to do a little tweaking to, but as I said, my fault. But it's also got a nice drain plug down here at the bottom. You can unscrew it all the way out if you want to, but it's got the little leak through bleed gully right there, so you just have to loosen it. And it is high quality plastic, but what I'm going to do is when I put this thing in, I'm also using a different AC condenser with this car, so I'm going to have to cut different holes and stuff in that core support to be able to work the air conditioner lines through and all that stuff. So we'll get that core support set up, and we will see exactly how far off I am. So back with you in a minute. Alrighty, now I have got that core support set up, and all I got to do is bring this air radiator over and see where all I am going to have to manipulate this to get it in. But I was looking as I was setting this thing up. Yeah, that right there Gonna have to make a recess for that. Gonna have to make a recess for that. Actually, I think I can just cut this out right through here, kind of flatten it out a little bit. Is that thing going to fit doing that? Oh. Okay, the thickness of that radiator is 3 inches. And we got right at 3 inch right here. So this is what I've got to work with. It's going to be a little close right there to the frame rail. But I think I can make that work. I do. I think I can make it work. All right. Not too bad of a mix-up. Let's go over here. Now, Alloyworks has a bunch of other products on their site, and I implore you to go look at it. The reason being is, not only do they just have radiators, they also have parts for ATVs. They've got overflow canisters. It's just a variety of things. And every part that I have gotten from them has been a very, very well made product. And I thank them again for sending this in to for the Caballero. And that, I think I'm going to try and polish it out a little bit when I put it in and just dress it up as best I can. But I really think that that is going to fit in there no problem. All I got to do is do a little bit of cutting on that core support, and I'd rather do the cutting before I paint it up. So we're going to get that done. Alloyworks, thank you so much for sending this in. You will be seeing many, many more videos of this radiator going into this car, and I appreciate everybody checking this out and giving them a little bit of support and love. But thank you so much. We will be back on regular stuff this week, and we will see you all again on the next video.